A little bit of a different video we got today. We're stuck in a house on lockdown. I figured it's not too bad. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain. We're gonna head to Home Depot, get some tools, and get this backyard cleaned up and start getting it ready for spring because back here, ooh, it's kind of chilly out. Hi, Birdie. So, I mean, look at this thing. We're gonna make this, and I just want to show you guys because it's disgusting. So, wait till you guys see what I changed this into. It's probably gonna be a few parts, this video. This is part one. Birdie! Storm! We got a lot of work to do. First step though is to just clean it up. Get rid of these grills. Just get rid of all this trash. Level the dirt. Get all the debris out of here. Sweep up. And just kind of clean it up. That's the first step. Then we're going to not go crazy because I don't own this house, so I'm not going to like re-concrete or nothing. But there's just easy things you can do. I'm going to put some kind of different fencing over top of that fence so it doesn't look so ghetto and ugly. Once I get the dirt leveled and cleaned up, we're going to reseed it and probably block it off so she can't go there until at least a few months till the seed starts coming in. She's going to destroy it. So that's the plan. And like I said, probably going to be a couple parts this video. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. It's small, that's the good part about it, but it's terrible back here. I just can't deal with it. So there's all these little toys. So we got to get a couple things at Home Depot. So let's go. Come on. Good girl, puppy. Get your treat. Sit. Sit. Hey. Hey. Oh, she's going cage. All right, Pooch. I'll be back. Outside garden section. There ain't nobody out here, so I took my mask off. But I'm looking for a shovel, a rake, and some grass seed, just some basic things, and then we're getting the hell out of here. Everything we need: hose, rake, shovel, broom, seed, the bags. Just gonna take a walk around the store, make sure I didn't miss nothing, because I know I did. It's so hot in these things. Like, I just want to die. Oh my God, guys.
Wouldn't you love to see Henry Ruggs is comfortable with that play?
Dudes,
and capable of making
it's so hot in those masks. I didn't like wearing those masks when I was a painter and body guy. Those things suck. I just never liked wearing them. They're just not fun to wear. Oh man, so that's it. We got everything we need. These are just terrible. This is a terrible, like, when you gotta wear a mask to go to Home Depot, things aren't great. You know what I'm saying? It's unbelievable. And then you got the president, he's like, I'm probably not gonna do it. Way to be an inspiration, man. He's just like, why even say that? Like, just don't say anything. That was a good idea, wasn't it? Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do is start moving shit out of the freaking way. Make the ground nice and flat all the way across. Storm! One of the reasons why I wanted to do this now instead of when it gets warmer is because with all these weeds, there's all kinds of like gnats and bugs and all kinds of shit flying around. I tried to do it last year. I just got attacked by fucking every bug and mosquito in the city. So Storm's grounded because she doesn't know how to act. She keeps trying to attack the shovel, bite everything. Not happening, dude. Because it was a small yard, this was going to be easy. Definitely not the case. I guess probably a lot of people wouldn't do this because they don't own the house, but I can't live like this in messy nastiness, so plus I get to make a video, so win-win. Pot. That was great. Great idea. For whatever reason, they got a big ass piece of fucking steel here, which probably weighs 1,000,000 pounds. Oh God, seriously? Why is this here? Oy. Well, that's a big piece of diamond plate. Holy shit. Well, at least the ground's flat. Cool. That is a 3M Brad Biffle 16. That's a keeper. bunch of bags. I think there's 15 bags full of dirt and debris. Still got a little bit of leveling out to do. The ground's still really soft, so that's good. We didn't plant nothing yet. I still have a pile here to clean up. Got most of the concrete cleaned up, but there's still a pile back here. Gotta clean up some of these weeds still. A lot of this first day was all cleanup stuff, but definitely a lot better. Here's the toy car that I found that apparently Storm thinks is hers. It's the only cool one I thought that I would keep. That's mine, bird. No, that's mine. Look at her. So anyway, now I gotta clean her paws up every time. So I just gotta keep her off here, so I'm gonna put something. No! See what I mean? So it's gonna be a nightmare trying to keep her just on this concrete for a few months. But anyway, it'll do what I gotta do. And then this, I'll probably just wash the shit out of it until it's better. So I'm not gonna re-concrete or nothing. I don't own the place, so you know, I'm just trying to have somewhere to chill out back and have a fire pit in the center and stuff like that. So that is about all the time we got for today. I will see you guys in the next one, the part 2. Do a little more out here stuff. I'm whooped. Landscapers, newfound respect. I mean, I always knew landscaping was like sucked, but like this sucked. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.